When it comes to finding top PEB designers in HBR Layout, Bangalore, one name that stands out is SCON Design India Pvt Ltd. With their expertise and experience in the field of pre-engineered buildings, PEB, they have established themselves as one of the leading design firms in the area. SCON Design is known for its innovative and creative approach towards PEB design, ensuring that each project is unique and tailored to meet the specific needs of their clients. SCON Design takes pride in offering top-notch services to their clients. Their team of highly skilled and experienced designers work closely with the clients to understand their requirements and provide them with the best possible solutions. They use advanced design software and technologies to create detailed 3D models and renderings, allowing clients to visualize the final product before construction begins. They understand that a well-designed PEB structure not only needs to look visually appealing but also needs to serve its purpose effectively. Whether it is a warehouse, factory, commercial building, or any other PEB structure, SCON Design ensures that it meets all the necessary safety and performance standards while also reflecting the client's unique style and branding. SCON Design's expertise extends beyond just PEB design. They also offer comprehensive services including structural analysis, detailing, project management, and construction supervision. In conclusion, if you are looking for top PEB designers in HBR Layout, Bangalore, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd should be your go-to choice. With their innovative designs, attention to detail, and commitment to customer satisfaction, they have established themselves as a trusted name in the industry. Whether it is a small-scale project or a large industrial complex, SCON Design has the expertise and resources to deliver outstanding results. Contact them today for all your PEB design needs. When it comes to finding top PEB designers in HBR Layout, Bangalore, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is a name that stands out. With their expertise and experience in the field, SCON Design has established itself as one of the leading PEB design firms in the area. Their commitment to providing innovative and sustainable solutions sets them apart from their competitors. SCON Design India Pvt Ltd has a team of highly skilled and talented PEB designers who are well-versed in the latest design trends and technologies. They have a deep understanding of the unique requirements of each project and strive to deliver designs that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also functional and cost-effective. The team at SCON Design is dedicated to providing personalized attention to every client, ensuring that their specific needs are met. What sets SCON Design apart from other PEB design firms is their commitment to innovation and sustainability. They believe in designing structures that are not only visually appealing but also environmentally friendly.